What's up, y'all? My name is Warren Wood, and I'm with the Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. And today I'm going to tell you about one of my new favorite ranges. It's the Frigidaire Gallery. This one is an induction cooktop, which differs from the original electric cooktop because it has different technology in it. So basically, it uses magnets to heat up the pans, which makes it safer to have around the house. It boils faster. It's just generally safer. When you take the pan off, it goes cool. So if you have kids or anything like that, they come over, they touch it, it's not going to burn them. After about 5 minutes of not using it, it's going to shut off the range completely. I also like induction due to the fast boil. When I'm brewing beer at home and stuff like that, it takes a while for my typical electric cooktop to bring that water up to a boil. And so having the induction, it actually heats it up just as fast as gas would. So it's going to get that water up to a boil to your 200 degrees or whatever that you need to put your grain in there and have those grains extracted and make your beer. Once that beer is all done being made and everything, you can actually put the air frying oven to use. So take those spent grains from your beer, you can either throw them away or you can make them into bread. This is great for making bread because it's an electric oven. Having the air frying convection in there is going to filter the air a lot better, give it a nice cook through, and that's just why I like this range a lot. But that's what I got for you. Please subscribe and tune in next week.